TikToks. I want the strawberry matcha like this.
¿Y tú andas sola?
Always tonight I pay too much for drinks. I'll hold it in and tell you everything. You'll hold my head but you won't stay the night. Couldn't be further from the other side. You never call and I waited for the fall. Like I knew what it was all about. And you said, come to my show. And I'm thinking I might go. And it's a whole new low for me. I didn't know gravity until I fell.
Dubai chocolate ice cream. It's good. Is it good? Looks good. Brother got over here. Brother got her that from Chicago when he went to Indiana. They went
And
to
then
Chicago.
my sister let me borrow this.
She has her Gen 1.
Her
Gen 1 on
cute. And then on the other side is just my la boo boo.
Outfit of the
The
day.
hilly.
Outfit. Show your outfit now.
Okay. So I got my
Don't move
purse,
that.
of course, and I got a Olivia Rodrigo shirt, and then I got some pants from TJ Maxx. They're in the women's, and then some New Balance and the socks from my mom.
Okay, my turn. We're gonna leave to Dutch Bros right now.
I'm gonna let go of it. I don't know. Oh wait, this is orange.
That's what the rule. Can I buy a shot? Maybe what? Yeah. Ready with that. You can keep it.
I already know what cheese we will get.
The best cheese right here in Sprouts. Right there.
Say we get two. Should we get two?
Yeah.
One, two. Gotta be the right ones. I already know what chips. Is it the? Everybody gets those.
No, which one is it? The back in the back there. Should we get this one or the party size?
Party size.
With that dip is good right there.
This dip? Seems good.
No, it's the little stuff first. Little stuff, bread. Too big.
We're not together when it's skin to skin. Always the last time for everything. It's not enough to make it worth the fight. Hope is a cruel thing on a Friday night. You never call, and I waited for the fall. Like I knew what it was all about. And you said, come to my show. And I'm thinking I might go. And
You guys, we're here trying this place called Tea
I didn't
Spoon.
know
It's seen it on my TikToks. I want the strawberry matcha like always. You guys, guess who's back?
And me?
Girl, they see you every day.
Do they not?
Yes, they do.
Oh, your last vlog.
My last vlog when we went to the park to eat the bagels. Was it?
Gosh, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
So good.
But right now we're on our way to Portals, you guys. Yes. And then we're gonna Ikea. I seen the matcha. They're not cups. They're like jars. But still, I don't know. Something about Ikea is like just so like aesthetic. Like when you go there, you're just like,
I love looking for like her.
oh my gosh. And my camera's gonna die. Let me charge it. But yeah, we're on our way. Actually, my brother and his girlfriend went, and he's already there. So we're gonna.
I'm not even waiting in line.
Yeah, but we'll see you at Portos. Okay, bye. It's the vibe. That's all. No, that's all. Do we pay right there or over here? Okay, thank you. Thank you. We're at Say hi. Say hi. Wait, I need to fix my hair. Currently at Portals. Look at. I try to do hitless curls, you guys. It's so cute here.
Bro, Abby, you should have clap. Here.
Look at the vibes here. Look at the street here.
Abby, you should take a photo one night.
We're at Ikea. Let's see. I'm gonna find the jars, the matcha ones, but yeah. Here we go. Where are you?
Maybe they have a bed.
Should we wait for them? Okay. Why is it not? This cute little mushroom lamp is cute. Oh, look at this one. Okay, okay. That was a tour. My camera's about to die, so the rest of the footage is gonna be on my phone. She's like, oh, I'm dead.
I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night.
Okay, bye. It's gonna die. You guys, these are the cups. We found them. Wait. Yeah. For the matcha.
Wait, check all of them or oh
Yeah.
okay. Making sure.
This thing comes with 2 parts. Getting a bed for my brother because he went to bed. I think you can go on the self checkout. Look at how cramped they are in the back. Say hey. Like literally, we have all this stuff right here. My brother's bed that comes with 2 pieces. It's like a metal bunk bed, and like he's
It's like
gonna
a twin
like this.
bunk bed.
That's like that.
You should just share what they say.
Let me see.